If you want to get beat sales, you got to find the places these people are at. So what I do with my YouTube, Instagram, my Twitter, I make content that literally attracts the same demographic that is going to end up purchasing from me. It doesn't matter what my numbers are. It doesn't matter if you know me or not. I produce a piece of content or a piece of messaging that you're going to love, or you're at least going to get your attention, and you don't even have to care who I am. And what happened is you keep showing up in the conversation, you keep showing up in these hashtags, people are going to start coming back to you. And especially if it's quality, and especially if you're responding back to the people who are commenting to you on a regular basis, that kind of stuff is undeniable. Eventually, you're going to have a tipping point, and then you're going to start seeing your numbers increase. But you just got to get the momentum going. And sometimes you got to tap into other tools that let you do that. Like for me, I can't be on Twitter all day. It's just not going to happen. Plus make beats, plus do videos, plus, do all the stuff that I do. It's just not going to happen. So then I use a tool called a Hootsuite that allows me to time my tweets. And I'll time tweets that are like, people will be putting up these quotes or whatever. I'll time a quote because I know that it's going to get engagement. I know it's going to get conversation. I'll even tweet a question. What producer do you think had the best year this year? Hashtag music producer, hashtag FL Studio, hashtag, whatever, hip hop, hashtag, whatever comes to mind. I'll hashtag that and start the conversation. And then you end up having access to people that you didn't have access to before. You do it consistently enough, you show up enough, people are going to start being attracted to what you do. It's undeniable when it's quality.